above the clouds. What shines is a star. I am a dreamer, where I once thought I could fly, conquering what is mine to be mine, to reach the stars. I made a paper airplane, folded into little pieces. On the wings was a string, one by one, in every corner, above the clouds. What shines is a star. I found a beautiful planet where a star lived. Its neighbor was a comet, it shone brightly in its window. I tried to find a way to return to the peace of my sleep. When someone woke me up, I was abandoned again, above the clouds. What shines is a star. What shines is a star. Above the clouds, what shines is a star.